Hello friends, it's Sujitwal. You are watching WikiNote channel. Welcome to the EEE question answer video tutorial series. So in this video we are going to explore about the question, explain the functions related with digital input output pins. So this question is usually asked in the exam. This question was asked twice in the exam and it carries 6 marks. So in the answer, the expected solution is you are having 3 functions related with digital input output pins of ATmega and each will carry 2 marks. So we are going to explain about these functions which are related with digital input output pins. So let's start.
Please do subscribe the YouTube channel WikiNote Foundation and click the bell icon to receive notifications of new uploaded videos.
So the first question comes into the mind, what do you mean by digital input output functions? So digital input output functions means there are 3 functions which are inbuilt in the Arduino IDE software which are related with input output pins of ATmega328 microcontroller, that is Arduino. So we do have 14 digital pins, that is from D0 to D13. So these functions, digital functions, are related with input and output operations of these digital pins. So we are going to discuss about these 3 functions. So now how to discuss these functions, I will explain it one by one. So first we'll discuss about digital output function and then we'll go for digital input function. So in the digital output function we do have 2 functions with us. The first function I would like to explain. The first function is pinMode. Now how to write the answer of this question, as this function will carry 2 marks. So your answer should be in this format. First you have to write down the description of this function. So this function is used to set the direction of digital pin as an input or output. No doubt we can also use it for the analog pins also, but as it is related with digital output function, so it will set the direction of digital pin as input or output. So what is syntax of this function? So its syntax is, it is written in this fashion. See here, PIN is written in small, M is capital, pinMode, in bracket you have to write down the pin and then comma, whether that pin you have to configure as an input or output. So in the exam you have to state down the name of the function, its description, its syntax, and you have to also explain it with the help of an example. So third format is example. So I will write, suppose, pinMode in bracket 5, input. So its meaning is I am configuring the digital pin number 5 as an input pin. Input means your microcontroller Arduino pin is going to take the data inside the microcontroller. If I am writing like this, in this fashion, pinMode 5, output, its meaning is digital pin number 5 has been configured as an output. That means its direction is set as an output pin. So first, name of the function, description, that means what function it will provide, the syntax, that means the proper format in which the function should be written, and followed by the example. Now I will discuss about the second digital output function. We'll keep the format as it is. The second function is digitalWrite. So I will write here digitalWrite, as its name indicates. See how to write this function. D is small, everything is small except this W is capital. So description, it is used to write a logic high or logic low value to digital pin. Syntax, it is written in this fashion. See, digital, it is everything is in small, W is capital, write in bracket the pin and whether its value is going to be high or low. High means this is logic high and low means logic low, that is binary 1, binary 0 or plus VCC and ground. So example, again it will be written in this fashion. The function is digitalWrite. Same pin I am taking 5 as an high. So its meaning is how to write the comment for this example. Digital pin number 5, we have set it as a high pin. That means we are sending a logic high value to the digital 5 pin. So similarly, if I am writing digitalWrite in bracket 5, low, so its meaning is I am sending a logic low value to the digital pin number 5. You can take down any pin from D0 to D13, provided that, or I would say that, don't use the pin number 0 and 1 over here, because digital pin number 0 and 1 are used as receiver and transmission pin in case of serial communication. So please try to avoid those pins. So this explanation was related with digital output function. Now which function is used for digital input? Digital input function. We have studied digital output function in the pinMode and digitalWrite were digital output function. Now this is digital input function and this is digital input function is digitalRead. So only one type, I will write it in this fashion, digitalRead. See here everything is small, R is capital. So now description, its description, this function is going to read the status of the pin, whether that pin is 0 or high. He is going to read the status of pin as high or low. So in the syntax, I will write its syntax. It is written in this fashion, digitalRead, and you have to just write down the pin number. So here the pin number is any digital pin from D0 to D13, but in the previous I have explained that don't use D0 and D1. So with the help of example, I would like to explain. Here I will write digitalRead in bracket, suppose pin number 5. So this function will read the status of digital pin number 5, whether it is high or low. That means whether at this pin a high value is present or low value is present. And you are going to store this digitalRead value into the some variable such as like this, int val is equal to digitalRead in bracket 5. Its meaning is digital pin number 5's value is either 0 or 1 and store that value into the value variable whose data type is integer. So for 6 marks this question is asked. It has 3 functions. First we have studied digital output function. Those were pinMode and digitalWrite. Now this is digital input function. This is digitalRead function. So keep in mind friends, you have to write down the explanation of these functions in this format. First, description, that means what operation it is going to perform, syntax of that operation, and now the third one is the example. So if you write down the answer in this format, you will get full 6 marks for this question.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Please like and share this video with your friends. Also refer my website wikinote.org. Follow us on our Facebook page WikiNote Foundation. The links for the same are provided in the description box below.